Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be reviewing Systweak PDF Editor, which is pitched as an all-in-one PDF editing solution for Windows that can edit, convert, sign, compress, and more. If you are working with PDFs regularly as a student, teacher, or a professional, you'll want to know whether this tool is up to the task. So let's get started. So this is the user interface of this software. So I have been using this software from the past few days. Now let me show you the capabilities of the software. So before that, let me open a PDF file. Now if you go to the edit section, you can easily add text from here. Simply click on the page, then you can select the font from here. Then you can set the font size. You can also select the font color which you want, and you can type the text. Once done, you can select the fonts and then choose the color you want, and that's it, it's done. Now if you click on edit content, you can edit any line from here. Like if you want to change this line, I can change it, or you can also delete the lines that you don't require. Simply select the text and give a backspace and the content will get deleted. Now if you go to the add image section, you can easily add images to your PDF file. Now place the position where you want the image to be seen. Now double click on that image file. Now you can easily adjust it as per your preferences and set it in the page. Now you can also do signed PDF. Now simply click on create signature. Here you will get three options: draw, upload, and type. And then place it in the PDF file. Now double click on it and you can easily adjust the size of the signature. Now if you go to the watermark section, you can add watermark from here. So here you can set it for all pages, even pages, odd pages, or you can do it for custom pages. Now here you can select the position where you want the watermark to be placed. So you can select a text or an image. If it is a text, then you can simply click here and type it. You can set the font size also from here, then change the font color. You can also set the level of opacity and then click on add, and that's it. As you can see, the watermark is placed successfully on the PDF file. Now if you click on more options, you will get add notes. Now simply click on the place where you want to place the notes. Now double click on it and you can simply add notes here. You can also change the color for easy understanding. Now if you click on more options again, you will get stamp. Now here you will find some default stamps. Like if you want this as a draft, so select draft and place it as per your convenience. So let me place it here and it's done. You can also add a custom stamp if you have. Now you can also add shapes. You can also insert page numbers to your PDF file. You can set the page numbering style. Then you want it from the first page or the second, or as per your preferences, and simply click on add. And as you can see, the page numbers has been assigned to the PDF file. You can also add a header and footer just like you do in Word. the header, let me type the header MIS notes and click on add. As you can see, the header is in place. Now if you go to the convert section, you can easily convert this PDF file to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image, text and other popular formats. Now you can do the vice versa as well, from convert from like Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF and much more. So let me convert this file to a Word file. And that's it, the job is done. Now if you go to the page section, you can select any page and you can rotate it to right, left. Simply select the pages and you can easily change the orientation of the pages. You can also remove a particular page. Simply select it and click on remove. Click on OK and it's done. You can also split a PDF file. You can extract specific pages from the PDF file. If you want to insert something, you can insert a blank page also. You can insert pages from different PDF files also. Now if you go to the secure section, you can easily protect your PDF file using a password. So simply set the password here and click on protect PDF and it will be password protected. Now if you go to the form section, you'll get the option to add text. Then you can edit contents like I have already shown earlier, add image, you can add text fields. Then the best part of the tool is the OCR part. Simply click on OCR and you can perform OCR from PDF or image. Now if you go to the tool section, you'll get the option to perform an OCR. You can merge the PDF. The best part is you can compress PDF. So here you will get different modes of compression. So based on your preferences, you can select these modes and click on compress and it will compress the file for you in just a matter of time. So in my view, if you are a student, educator, small business owner or even a professional who works with PDFs regularly and you need a single tool that covers editing, converting, compressing and signing, Systweak PDF Editor is a strong contender. If you are a heavy user, you might compare it with other top tier alternatives. So my final verdict is that I'd give it a strong recommendation for everyday to mid-level PDF tasks on Windows. Go ahead and try the free version, and if it meets your needs, then get the pro version for full features. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below your questions. Thanks for staying till the end. I'll catch you in the next video where I review another tool or software that can help you in your studies or business. Bye for now.